Are you ready to make some customizable candles? Let's do this. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I start with a candle from Michael's, and this is a Hobby Lobby napkin. I cut it in half, and then I'm going to get it down to 1 ply. Once it's at 1 ply, I'm going to take some water and a paintbrush, and I'm just going over the top edge. This is so that we can make it a control tear instead of tearing it and having it go all over the place. So there we go. We have it all on the top. And again, you want to measure how big your candle is to how much you take off. You might have to do both edges, whatever. So here it is. I measured mine. Perfect. Next, we're going to take our napkin and we're going to wrap it around our candle. Now, if you'd like, you could have a piece of wax paper available. And I'll show you what I do with that here. I'm going to take my wax paper and I'm going to roll it, just wrap it around the candle with the napkin on it, okay? Now this is an embossing tool. You could use a hairdryer on high heat if you wanted. And we're going to just go around and we're going to melt the wax so that the candle melts into it. So what I do here is I melt it and then I roll it. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of putting the wax paper on. It doesn't work as well for me. So you'll see here, see how the wax is melting? Perfect. And then I roll it just to make sure that the napkin actually goes into that melted wax. And I do that all the way around. Now listen, again, you could do it with the wax paper. If you don't like the wax and you don't want the mess on your hands, that's fine. Just keep going all the way around. Make sure that all of your edges are set. And make sure that you have it all adhered. And look at, are you kidding me? Look at how pretty, right? This is the, where the two met. The two edges meet, and I don't think it looks bad at all. Again, you could use wax paper, but then you wouldn't have wax on your fingers. Any 80s kids, tell me in the comments, you remember the wax or the glue on your fingers? Yeah, it was awesome. Anyways, all right, back to the project. Here's my candle. I'm using a sanding block to go over the edge. This is the bottom part. You don't even have to do that though. You could melt the bottom and have the bottom kind of be, in with the wax. That's fine. I just didn't want to do that. I liked to have it kind of cut off. Again, though, whatever your aesthetic is. Listen, would these not be fun? You could do happy birthday. You could do holidays. You could print on tissue paper and do that on them. You could do so many different things. I absolutely adore this. It gives me the ability to go all sorts of different directions with decor. Look at how pretty it is. I love it so much. Oh. Now, do I burn candles in my house? No. But again, if you do, just be mindful. But remember that candle holder we made? Look at it. It fits perfect. I love it so much. And just in case you're asking, the candle that I used is a 4-inch candle. Okay? All right. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you. Okay, now it's your turn. Go make something pretty.